In this video, let us see how we can shut down, restart or log off our computer using Python program. You can shut down or restart and log off your Windows computer from Python program by using shutdown program present in system32 folder. So here we will be using the system function available in OS library. The OS module in Python provides a way of using operating system dependent functionality. The function that the OS module provides allows you to interface the operating system that the Python is running on, whether that be Windows, Mac or Linux. So let us see how we can code. First we will see the Python program to shut down our computer. So here first of all we will import OS module. After this we will let the user to enter the choice whether yes or no, whether he wants to shut down the computer or not. So type choice is equal to input in the bracket shut down your computer. In the bracket type y or n, bracket close. So here if the user enter y, then here we will apply the if else conditional statement. So type if choice is equal to y, small y, or choice is equal to capital Y. Next type os.system in the bracket shutdown /s. So here we will type s for shutdown. Else if the condition is false, then we will print exiting the program doing nothing. So here we will exit the program without doing nothing. Next, let us see program to restart our computer. So here basically the program will remain same, only we just have to do the modification. We will do some modification. So instead of S, here we will type R. So here we will tell the user, we will let the user to input the choice whether he want to restart computer or not. Else we will print exiting the program doing nothing. Next, let us see how we can type the program to log off our computer. Let us see how we can log out our computer. So here we will tell the user, we will let the user to enter the choice whether he wants to log off the computer or not. So if the user type Y, so we will check the condition. If choice is equal to Y or choice is equal to capital Y, then we will type in the next line type os.system in the bracket shutdown /l. So here L stands for log off. Else, okay, so if the condition becomes false, then we will print exiting the program doing nothing. So if the condition becomes false, then we will end the program, we will exit the program without doing nothing. I hope you like this video. If you are a beginner and wants to learn Python, then I have already created many videos related to Python. You can check out the playlist Python 0 to Hero. Like, share and subscribe to this channel.